Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So today we will start chapter 13, that is present continuous tense. So in the previous chapter we have already done simple present tense. Now we will start with present continuous tense. So before we start the chapter, let us read this part of the chapter. Read this cricket commentary. So this is a cricket commentary. We are watching the last over being bowled. Amit is batting well. Amit has hit the ball. The ball is flying towards the boundary, but Amit and Romit are running between the wickets. The ball is inching towards the boundary. Yes, that's 4 runs. So you can see there are highlighted words here: are watching, is batting, is flying, are running, is inching. See? So what are these words? These highlighted words are form of verbs, obviously. The highlighted verbs in the above sentences talk about a match that is currently in progress. So this is the match that is going on. Currently in progress means that is going on. See, are watching, is batting, is flying, are running, is inching are in the present continuous tense. Just like the name, it is in present and it is continuing. So it is a present continuous tense. So now we will know about the usage of these present continuous tense and its usage. Sentences that tell us about actions that are happening at the time of speaking are said to be in the present continuous tense. So which sentence that tell us about actions that are happening at the time of speaking means it is continuously happening while we are speaking. So it is said to be in present continuous tense. Let us see the rules or examples. We use the present continuous tense to describe an action that is happening right now. So just as I said, describe an action that is happening right now. Okay. For example, the children are writing their English test. You are using the internet. So the children are writing means they are at present. This action is happening at present. They are writing the English test. You are using the internet. So what is happening that you are at present and it is continuing. So you are using the internet. Next, we use the present continuous tense to describe actions that are planned for the near future. We also describe these actions that are to happen in the near future, means it is going to be happening. Like we are going to see the doctor tomorrow. So when are they going to see the doctor? Tomorrow. We are setting sail next week. So we are setting sail next week. When are they going to sail? Next week. So they are setting, they are preparing for the future actions. Okay. We also use the present continuous tense to describe an action that happens as a regular habit. So these also describe an action that happens on a regular habit, means it happens daily, it is a habit. Okay. So what are the example? Mamta is always smiling. So what is Mamta doing? She is always smiling. It's a regular habit. You are forever losing your keys. So what is happening? That it is your habit that you always lose your key. So these are the examples. Now next, there is positive statements in present continuous tense. So what are they? We use the given form to make positive sentences in the present continuous tense. So these are the form, like here it is given. Okay. So you can see is added with the root form of verb, means the main verb plus ing. Okay. So it becomes is riding. Am plus the root form of verb plus ing, it becomes listening. Okay, just an examples these are plus the root form, okay, of the verb and ing it becomes are swimming. So you can see the example, Anu is riding a horse. I am listening to music. We are swimming in the pool. So you can see the root form of verb is to ride. Over here listen, over here swim. But we add ing to it, so it becomes swimming, it becomes listening, and it becomes riding. Okay, and plus we add these helping verbs like is, am and are. Okay, given below are contractions of some verbs in the present continuous form. Okay, there are some short forms of, we are breaking some verbs. Okay, so these are like some verbs, they are in present continuous form. We are going to see what happens. So I am reading. So I am, instead of I and am, we write I am reading. Okay. You are working. So it becomes you're working. He is driving. So he's driving. Apostrophe s, apostrophe e, r e, then over here with the apostrophe m. So this means we are contractions. This is the contractions of some verbs. Okay. Now we have discussed the positive statements. Here it is the negative statements in present continuous tenses. Okay. We use the given form to make negative sentences in the present continuous tense. Okay. Now as we were making the positive one, similarly we will be making the negative, except that we will add not to it. Is plus not plus the root form of verb plus ing. So what is it? If the verb is sing, it becomes is not singing. Am plus not plus the root form plus ing. So it becomes am not, eat becomes eating, and over here not for negative statement. Similarly for are plus not plus the root form of verb plus ing. Suppose the root form of verb is go, so it becomes like are not going. So not here for negative, ing becomes ing, we add ing and it becomes going. So you see, Nisha is not singing a song. So it is a negative sentence since we added not. I am not eating mangoes. We are not going to London. Okay, so it is present and continuous but in a negative sentence. Okay. Given below are contractions of some verb in negative sentence. So now the contractions of verb in negative sentence in the present continuous tense. So what it is? I am not reading. So I am not reading. So I am becomes with that apostrophe m. You are not working. So you aren't working. So are not becomes aren't. Okay. He is not driving. So he isn't. Is not becomes isn't. Okay. Now over here there are some verbs that do not have present continuous form. There are some verbs that do not have any present continuous form. For example, these include want, need, prefer, like, love, hate, see, belong, hear, know, realize and recognize. These are some words that don't have any present continuous form. Okay. For example, you can see I am wanting an apple. So this is a wrong statement. I want an apple. This is the correct statement. I am seeing the bird. Again, this is a wrong statement. I see the bird. This is the correct. So not there. So you can see not all verbs can have present continuous form. There are few verbs that do not have present continuous form. Okay. So we will leave the chapter till here. In the next class, we will complete this chapter with question in present continuous tense, and we will go through the exercise of this chapter. So, I would request you to please go through the chapter, go through these rules, okay, when it forms positive statement or negative statement, okay, the usage of present continuous tense. So, that was all for today's class. Thank you.